Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic which is called as channel optimization. You might be knowing about what channel optimization is because you guys are doing that each and every time. Channel optimization is nothing but offering the right message to the right person at the right time. ഓരോരുത്തർക്കും ആവശ്യമുള്ളത് എന്താണ് എന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കിയിട്ട് അതനുസരിച്ച് അവരുമായിട്ട് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനാണ് വി കോൾ ഇറ്റ് ആസ് ചാനൽ ഒപ്റ്റിമൈസേഷൻ. Or in an organizational viewpoint, you can say that channel optimization is offering the right message to the right customer at the right time. There's an example in this note that a customer who wants internet banking, a customer who always opts for internet banking might be preferring a new offer from the bank, that is a email which contains his statements on a regular basis. But a customer who visits the branch office might not prefer an email. He might prefer another thing, maybe a cup of coffee with a brochure of new offers or new packages. So the only thing in channel optimization is we must understand what the need of the customer is, or what is the taste and preference of the customer, and then make changes in our delivery style. So once you understand this channel, your customer prefer to interact with the company, you must then decide what is the best way to communicate with the customer. So that decision process is called as channel optimization. Next topic which we are going to see is event-based marketing. As the name suggests, this is a time-sensitive marketing or sales communication reacting to a particular event of the customer, specific event of the customer. Say for example, if you understand that your customer had a car collision or an accident, then sending that person an application for insurance so that he'll be accepting that in fear of that. Another thing is a festival is going to come to a customer. So understanding that and sending a festival package to that customer. So giving offers or communicating with a customer by understanding a particular event which is relating to that customer, which is going to come in the near future, is called as event-based marketing. ഭാവിയിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു കാര്യം കസ്റ്റമറിന് ഉണ്ടാകാൻ പോകുന്നുണ്ട്, അതുകൊണ്ട് we will be communicating him now itself. So for example, if a marriage function is going to happen in a home, communicating with that person relating to event companies or certain jewelries, certain decoration companies, catering companies, they are communicating with that person. That is called as event-based marketing. So businesses today are to focus on the individual customer in a real-time situation and get away from that blank event-based marketing. So നമ്മൾ ഐഡിയലായിട്ടിരുന്ന് വെറുതെ നിന്ന് മാർക്കറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല. വി നീഡ് ടു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് which person needs this, what is the requirement for this, who will be purchasing this. അത് മനസ്സിലാക്കിയിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ ബേസിസിൽ നമ്മളൊരു പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു സർവീസ് നമ്മളതിനെ മാർക്കറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനാണ് വി കോൾ ഇറ്റ് ആസ് ഈവൻറ്റ് ബേസ്ഡ് മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ്. സോ ഇന്ന് രണ്ട് കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത്. വൺ ഈസ് channel optimization and second is event based marketing. Hope everyone is clear with this. പഠിച്ചു വെക്കുക. താങ്ക് യു.